Hello everyone, what's up? If you need to make something on your model look not only shiny but glistening wet, be that mud, oil, fuel, or perhaps blood, there is a product that will look the part and is really easy to use. If this sounds interesting, this video is for you. As I mentioned in the Lemon Rust tutorial, applying the finish matte varnish on this stack meant losing the realistic shine of Ammo's wet mud. Therefore, I had to find a way to make the mud look convincing again. For that, I decided to try a product which Ammo had sent me as a sample, namely their Wet Effects fluid. For the record, this is not a paid promotion, and all opinions remain my own. For this, I used a small, round synthetic brush, and I simply applied it using a stippling motion. As you can see, the product is quite dense, so it stays in place once applied. It's also an enamel-based product, so you use enamel thinner both to clean your brush afterwards and to remove the product if you think you've applied too much in a certain area. Applying the wet effects was really easy and fun to do, and I could see the results instantly. I don't think I was able to capture it very well on camera, but in real life it looks ultra realistic in combination with the mud. You could also mix it with paint, but the real advantage for me was to be able to do it after the finished varnish. This is not really restricted to mud though. You could combine it with a dark wash to create fuel or oil effects. You can see that I went over the model in several passes, layering the effect. I would recommend this approach, even if it takes longer, rather than slapping it on really thickly. As with any weathering product, just experiment until you're happy. And again, if you accidentally drop a big blob or you just overdo it, simply go over it with some enamel thinner and you will be able to remove it. So as I always say, that's your weathering reset button. If you were to apply an acrylic varnish, this safety net of sorts would be lost. This is why I recommend you try enamels or oils rather than acrylic products. At this stage I could already see how the model would end up looking, and I must say I'm really happy with the way the mud effects turned out after this, particularly bearing in mind that I had never used any of these products before. So would I recommend the Ammo Wet Effects? Indeed I would. I'm thinking of using this to improve the blood effects on my world eaters as a matter of fact, and I'm definitely going to combine it with enamel washes in order to create various oily effects, both on models and on basing. Applying it was child's play, and cleaning my brush afterwards was very easy. So if you want more no-nonsense practical reviews, subscribe now. And remember,
in the grim darkness of the 31st millennium, there is only weathering.